Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. Our Facebook ads series is going on. If you want to watch the whole series, you can come to our channel and watch those videos from here. Okay, so in today's lecture, we'll show you how to set up location targeting in Facebook ads, how you can target location wise, So without any further delay, let's see how we can do it. So for location targeting, we just need to come to the ads manager section. Then if I go to the ad set portion and if I scroll down a little bit, then I have an option called location. You can see over here. So you can search location from this search box. For example, I want to target Bangladesh as my targeted country. So I'm going to search for Bangladesh. Okay. Then you can see over here, Bangladesh is available here. So I'm going to target Bangladesh as country or region. So you can choose your targeted locations. Like if you want to advertise for some certain countries, then you can choose your locations. For example, if you want to choose United States, then you need to write United States, then you can target United States. So for the time being, I'll only be choosing Bangladesh as my targeted location, you know. Then we have an option called browse. So if I click on it, then we can target location by countries, regions, and save locations. So if I click on countries, then if you want to advertise on Facebook throughout the whole world, then you can select this one, select all. Then all the countries will be selected for advertisement. Or if you want to target a specific country, then you need to select some regions from here. You can see over here, this is African region. So we have bunch of countries available here in African region. So you can target like Algeria, Angola, Benin, Botswana. So you can target these countries as per your requirements. Then we have an option called Asia. So similarly, you can target Asian countries like Afghanistan, Bahrain, Bangladesh, Bhutan, China, Cyprus, Georgia. Okay. Similarly, you have an option called Caribbean, Central America, Europe, North America, Oceania, South America. Then the next one is regions. So you can target locations using regions. So you can see we have bunch of options available here. Like we can target it using free trade areas. So if I click on it, then you can target it wise European Economic Area, North American Free Trade Agreement, Asian Free Trade Area, Gulf Corporation Council, Asia Pacific Economic Corporation. So you can use these targetings as per your requirements. The next one is App Store regions. So you can target iTunes App Store countries, paid Android store countries, free Android store countries. Similarly, you can target emerging markets like Argentina, Brazil, Chile, China, Colombia, Egypt, India, Indonesia, Malaysia, Mexico, Nigeria, Philippines, Poland, Russia, Saudi Arabia, in fact, South Africa, Thailand, Turkey, Vietnam, and you have an option called Euro area. So you can choose Euro countries like Australia, Belgium, Cyprus, Estonia, Finland, and etc. So I'd suggest you to go through these options and target this location as per your requirements. And the last one is save location. So if I click on it, then I have an option called create list. So I'm going to click on it. Then you can select it using different countries, country or regions, DMS, town or cities, postal code, addresses. So if you want to select multiple countries or multiple postal codes, then you can consider add location in bulk. Like if you want to target 20 or 30 countries at a time, 50 or 60 postal codes at a time, then you can consider add location in bulk. Okay. So for example, I'm going to be choosing countries. Then I'm going to be choosing some random countries like India, United States, then Pakistan, Nepal, Sri Lanka, with Qatar, maybe Nigeria, United Kingdom. Okay, perfect. For example, I'm going to choose this countries. So I'm going to click on mass locations. Then they will try to mass all of these locations. So they have got 13 locations. So I'm going to be choosing India. So I'll not be choosing British India Ocean. So I'll cut it. United States minor. So I'll not be choosing this one. US Virginia, not this one. Pakistan, Nepal, Sri Lanka, Kuwait, Qatar, Nigeria, not Niger. Okay. For example, I'm going to be choosing these 8 locations. So I'll click on add locations, add 8 locations, in fact. Then I'll name it as 8 countries. Perfect. Then I'll click on save list. Then if I choose this one, then you can see over here. Again, I'm going to choose this one, 8 countries. Then all of these 8 countries has been selected. Okay. I'm going to choose it again. Okay, perfect. So this is how you can choose PAL countries locations. So if I go to the browse section again and go to save locations and click on create list. For example, I'm going to be selecting some postal codes. So I have collected some postal codes from USA and I want to target them. So I'm going to copy them from here and paste it over here. So I'll click on mass locations. Then you can see over here, they have got 16 postal codes. So I'm going to click on add 16 locations and I will name it as 16 postal codes. Then I'll click on save list. Then if I choose 16 postal codes, I have to choose it. Yeah. Then you can see all of the postal codes has been selected. Okay. So yeah, all of the postal codes has been selected. Okay, perfect. So I'll remove all of them for the time being. So I'll remove all the countries because I am to target only Bangladesh. So I have shown you for the demonstration purpose. Okay. So I'm gonna remove Sri Lanka, Qatar, and I'll remove all the postal codes. Okay. Perfect. And for example, I want to target a specific city called Dhaka, which is located in Bangladesh. So I'll click on Dhaka Division, Bangladesh. Then if you click on it, then you can target it using current city only, or if you want, you can give the radius like city within the radius. So if I choose cities within the radius, then you can choose between 17 to 80 kilometers. So for example, I'm going to be choosing 30 kilometers. So I'm going to click on enter. So I'm targeting Dhaka city within 30-kilometer radius. And inside Dhaka, I want to exclude some locations. For example, I want to exclude Bonani. So I need to exclude this, and I'm going to be excluding using drop pin. Okay, perfect. So I'll click on I'll search for Bonani. I'm gonna find Bonani. So for example, I'm gonna exclude Agargao. Okay. So I'll click on drop pin and put the drop pin on Agargao. Okay. Then I will reduce the radius and to exclude 2 kilometers of Agargao. Okay. So you can see over here, we have excluded 2 kilometers of Agargao, you know. So that is how you can exclude the location using drop pin, you know. So yeah, so we have shown you how to target location in details. So yeah, that's it for this video. Hopefully you have liked our video. Hopefully you have a clear understanding on how we can target location on within the different options, you know. So if you like our video, then you can subscribe our channel, follow our page. You have a good day. Bye bye.